Hi, and welcome to our intensive moss and thatch control service. Has moss started to take over your lawn? Does it feel spongy underfoot instead of firm and healthy? If so, it's time for Greensleeve's intensive moss and thatch control. Moss and thatch aren't just unsightly. They form a thick layer that blocks oxygen, water, and nutrients from reaching your soil. Left untreated, this buildup suffocates your grass, halts new growth, and can eventually destroy your lawn completely. Our intensive moss and thatch control removes this harmful layer, restoring the space your grass needs to breathe, absorb nutrients, and grow thick and strong. Straight after treatment, your lawn may still need time to recover, and that's completely normal. Very quickly, you'll start to see fresh, healthy grass growth, and over time, your lawn becomes greener, thicker, and far more resilient. With more than 100 local branches across the UK, our experts deliver effective, tailored treatments without the hassle or expense of doing it yourself. And because our treatments are safe for children and pets, you can enjoy your lawn again within an hour of our service. By controlling moss and thatch, we give your lawn the best chance to thrive all year round. And with our full range of lawn care packages, Greensleeves can transform your garden into an outdoor space you'll be proud of. Take back control of your lawn. Contact your local Greensleeves team today and start your lawn care journey.